welcome back to my channel. Today's we are reading about of this lesson. This lesson name is The Ship That Tried to Sail of the Earth. Chapter 9, Class 5 in English book. First of all, I will solve some question in book. Let's begin. A. Write 1 to 3 to put the sentences in the order of events happening in the story. स्टोरी में जिस तरह से इवेंट्स हुए स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसे सजाना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट में क्या होगा? 4. The king was bored. Second, Alberto sailed on a ship with peasants and musicians. Third, people on the ship were afraid. 4. The crew stored food on the ship. 5. The ship reached a new land. 6. The people in the new lands were friendly. 7. The king and his crew visited many lands. 8. The ship did not fall off the earth. Okay student, after that I will solve question answer in notebook. The ship that tried to sail off the earth. B. Answer the questions. First, give 2 reasons for King Alberto's boredom. Answer. King Alberto felt that everything was old and nothing was new. He had experienced all the usual activities like hunting, fighting and playing games and was no longer excited by them. Second, what did the court jester suggest the king should do? Answer. The court jester suggested that the king should sail off the earth. 3. Whom did the king ask whether they wanted to come with him? Answer. The king asked his lord whether they wanted to come with him. 4. Whom did the king take with him and why? Answer. The king took 50 peasants and a band of musicians with him. He took the peasants because they never got a holiday and the musician to keep everyone happy. 5. What did the crew do when the food on the ship finished? Answer. When the food on the ship finished, the crew sailed ashore to load food. 6. Why did the ship remains on the first new land? Answer. The ship remains on the first new lands because the people there were friendly, their food was delicious, and they taught King Alberto new games. 7. What happened quite a few times? Answer. The king and his crew visited many new lands, stayed for a few jolly days and then set sail again. 8. Why was Alberto sad on evening? Answer. Alberto was sad on evening because he had a strange feeling that they were near to edge of the earth. 9. What did everyone see when the last morning dawned on the ship? Answer. When she last morning dawned on the ship, everyone saw that they were back home. 10. Who and what convinced the people that the earth is round? Answer. The King Alberto and his crew's wonderful tales convinced the people that the earth is round. See, think and answer. First, reference to context. A. I quote. Who said this? Answer. This said King Alberto. Second, to whom did he speak? He speak his court. Third, why does he want to quit? Answer. Because he is bored. Head straight for the edge, ordered Alberto. First, who is Alberto? Alberto is the king. Second, to whom did he give this order? The captain gave this order. Third, what happened when he gave this order? Answer. The peasant began to howl and the musician started weeping. 3. Did you said of the earth and get back on again? First, who said these words? Answer. King Alberto Lords. Second, did the person sail off the earth? No, King Alberto sailed around the earth. Okay student, I have done all question in this lesson. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Okay student, Allah Hafiz, bye.